On today's first look, we have a 1971 Plymouth HEMI Cuda. This is lot number 1331, one of the feature cars from the Frank Tiegs Collection. Muscle Car Mike is joining in here today because this car has so many options to go through. The 1971 Plymouth HEMI Cuda is considered among the most potent of the legendary American muscle cars ever built. This is the end of the era, 71. They built 114 of the 426 HEMI Cudas for U.S. consumption. Of that, 107 hardtops, 7 convertibles. This HEMI Cuda hardtop is one of less than 50 built in 1971. With the Torque Flight automatic transmission, it is finished in the, my favorite color, FC7 in violet paint, or as everybody calls it because it's on the Dodge, Plum Crazy.
Plum Crazy purple.
Now for this car, Muscle Car Mike is in here helping me. He's not Mustang Mike today. Tell us a little bit more about the options and the authenticity on this beautiful 71 HEMI Cuda.
Well, Craig, as you said, it doesn't get much better than the 71 HEMI Cuda. It has a confirmed matching numbers as it was inspected and appraised in 2004 by a noted Chrysler expert, including the engine, the transmission, the body, the fender tags, and the Chrysler production broadcast sheets. It was assembled at Chrysler's Hamtramck, Michigan plant near Detroit. The Cuda's factory options were many, including the A34 Super Track Pack,
which is super rare in an automatic transmission.
Extremely rare.
So that got you a Dana 60 with a 410 gears, which is amazing. They didn't blow this thing up.
It's estimated that half of the cars that received the automatic transmission were recipients of that Super Track Pack rear end. It also has the Rally Cluster dash. It includes the tachometer, the electric clock, 160 mile/hour speedometer, the trip odometer, the console. It's got the racing mirrors, the solid state AM radio, power steering, and the F60x15 raised white letter tires, just to list a few of the options. In addition to the aforementioned report, the factory options added up to $1,839.85 to the Cuda's base price, which back in 1971, that was a healthy bump.
It was,
in the
other
MSRP.
than ordering a ZL1 engine, the other king of the General Motors cars. The billboard on the side of this is not on the options, but it looks gorgeous on it. And when this car was built, the billboard was not available.
Had that option been available, I'm sure this car with the number of options that it has would have had that, because the white billboard complements the white interior perfectly. New car pre-delivery service inspection form was completed on May 1st of 1971, and a copy is on file with this Cuda with data that includes the vehicle's body type E, the paint code FC7, and the serial number matching the last 6 VIN digits. Of course, as we showed, the H6XW trim code denoting the high-grade vinyl bucket seats finished in white and black with the HEMI engine number, plus confirmation of the car's original mechanical equipment, including the Torque Flight automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes.
This many tags on it. You know, we talk about a 1-tag car, a 2-tag car, plus the fender tag. And what I like also is the one-off grill of 71. 71s were the best, the gills on the side. It is a piece of art. Personally, I absolutely love this car. When I walked in and saw it, I was like, that is spectacular. This beautiful 71 HEMI Cuda from the Frank Tiegs Collection, documented, numbers matching, right colors, right options, is selling at no reserve at our 2024 Scottsdale auction, January 20th through the 28th. Here's an opportunity. See you in Scottsdale.